Pipay the Harem Master. So, Drive Tournament hosted by Sophia Academy. And thank you so much, Mix Mob, for making this tournament happen. Hiraya saying GM. So this is gonna be POV of Eliud, the second placer of the last tournament. Nakuha kagad niya yung lead dito and nakita mo ang harot maglaro ni number 2. Amazing bulwark, bulwark dun sa sa basketball. He was able to negate the stun damage. But Pipay, grabe. On the back trading nandito kay Eliud for quite a bit. He gets stand by the Chronoblast and I think Pipay using his core boost, core boost ba tawag ko yung pangalan? And he was able to move away. Eliud, nandito na kayo sa likod. Si Pipay really driving in. Rocket Car has been thrown. I think Homer is gonna be thrown out as well. But ito, binato muna niya yung Bass Bomb. Bass Bomb was able to hit Pipay and Pipay goes down. Na-knockout din si Pipay. Magiging sobrang crucial ito. Nagpagkain sila sa may patang harap. Eliud now taking the lead. But Pipay is just on the back. But he gets hit by the multi-trap and he goes down. Pipay now racing towards the finish line. I think ang layo na ng gap nito. And Pipay, I think is gonna be sick. Oh my God, Pipay is going to secure game number 1 parang series. First game of our grand finals is gonna be the POB ni Pipay. Pipay already on the lead. I think the crowd favorite so far is gonna be Pipay. This is gonna be an upset if he wins this finals game against Nosagi, but Nosagi doesn't any fail. And grabe talaga itsura ng Bapang tumatakbo. Napaka-cute. Talaga mapapaka Pipay. Pipay running. Lumilipad na siya, but tinamaan siya dito ng blob. Yung Chronoblast, tinamaan din siya dito, nasal siya dito, but Osai still really healthy. May stalwart version siya, may multitrap pa siya dito. Hindi niya pa magamit eh. Kailangan natin dito para magamit niya yung stalwart tsaka yung multitrap, but he already thrown out dito yung stalwart badge. Yung stalwart badge hindi na ginamit kasi lamang na siya. Homer has been hit and oh my God, diabot. Oh my God, gumapang siya doon. Muntikan pa kasi Pipay wins against Nosagi. Guys, the most improved player of Silpy Academy wins 1 game.